Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change Instagram grid back to square, all right? This option will work on both iOS and Android. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just open up the Instagram app, okay? Go ahead over to your profile right here at the bottom right. Just tap on it. Now, as you can see here, it is under grid. To get it back to square, there is no straightforward way or one way to enable it to all of your posts, okay? So the only option is by going to a post, open up a post, now tap on three dots, then locate adjust preview, okay? Tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, we have the option for fit. As you can see, it is now in square. To get it back to grid, tap on fill, like so, all right? If you want to change the background color, tap on background. As you can see here, we have white and black, like so. And if you're happy with it, just go ahead and tap on the check mark. And once done, you're good to go, okay? When you go back to your profile right here, as you can see, it is now in square. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.